following message is transmitted at the request of the New York City Police Department. This is an update to the previous civil danger warning issued 45 minutes ago. The riots have spread into the downtown Brooklyn area and some surrounding areas. The cause of the riots is now known to be caused by teachers that are forcing people to use an app called Google Classroom. An unknown mysterious creature has also appeared due to this. It is a 30-foot creature colored green with 2 loud horns on its head. If you see it, run away as fast as you can and call 911 immediately. All residents in New York City and a 1-mile radius are now advised to seek shelter or evacuate immediately. If you refuse to evacuate or seek shelter, you will be killed by one of the rioters or by the creature. If you are unable to do either one of these things, gather with yourself and brace for certain death. Please stay tuned to NOAA All Hazards Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets for more information.